Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to Elite Exchange.
And a very happy new year.
Oh, isn't it too late to say Happy New Year, Shilpi?
You know, a French colleague told me that in France it is acceptable to wish New Year till the end of January, and France is our neighbor.
Oh,
So it's
great.
all right.
So Happy New Year, everyone.
Happiest New Year, everyone. And thank you so much for all the love and support you showered on us. We
Yeah.
are so humbled and so grateful for that.
Yeah. And all your suggestions and feedback, rest assured, have been taken on board, and we're back today with the lights and mics.
So, what's up today, Sonali?
Yes, so today's episode, moving countries is one thing, but breaking barriers, dealing with the invisible biases, the many obstacles you face, and actually coming out successful from that is the most important thing. And today's episode is not about the right or wrong. It's about how the issues, the glass ceilings that NRI women face, and how they crack and shatter them. So our guest today is a very amazing, beautiful woman, and the amount of services she offers, I've actually have to read it out from a paper. So Dr. Mona Khurana is our first guest. She's a dedicated naturopath, a clinical hypnotherapist, a mindful meditation teacher, a neuro-linguistic programmer, and practitioner, a yoga teacher,
Wow.
a hypnobirth practitioner,
Wow.
a numerologist, and a life transformation coach. And alongside all of these amazing services, she very successfully runs a charity called the Purple Mind Community Service, which I think most of you have already heard of and maybe have dealt with as well. So I'm really, really excited to interview Mona Khurana today.
And the awards she has received in the last few years. She recently received an award of appreciation from the Consulate General of India for organizing yoga and wellness sessions.
Wow.
Her community-focused efforts were also awarded by the Certificate of Excellence from the World Book of World Book of Records presented at the House of Commons. Under her leadership, the Purple Mind Community Service received the Best Social Enterprise of the Year award
Yay.
from the Social Economy Awards.
Amazing.
And the biggest award of all, she received the Certificate of Excellence in Mental Health at the We Care Awards from the Queen of Philippines, Maria
Yay.
Majusa.
I'm so excited, Shilpi. That sounds amazing.
I've never even met a queen, Sonali. I mean,
Yeah.
let alone receiving a award from a queen.
Yeah.
And all this, she did all this by starting her journey in her 50s.
Oh,
Yes, guys.
wow.
She started off
Amazing.
in her 50s. And on that note, let's give a huge round of applause for Dr. Mona
Dr. Mona
Khurana,
Khurana, guys.
and welcome her
Yeah.
to our show, please. Dr. Mona Khurana, please.
Yeah.
So this
Thank
is
you.
Dr. Mona Khurana's
Thank you.
very lovely home. This
Yeah.
is her living space. This is her wall of fame. These are all the records I just read out to you, maybe a bit more than that.
Yeah.
So,
But that's an amazing backdrop.
okay.
Totally sums up to what
Thank you
the
so
personality
much.
that you are.
Thank you.
So
Thank you.
I gave the formal introduction, Mona D. I'm now going to talk about you are family to me. You are my Micah in Birmingham. She's the person I will
Amazing.
call. She's my go-to person. मेरा मैटी से झगड़ा हो, मेरी कोई भी बात हो, she's the one I will pick up the phone and call and take advice. But
Nice.
one thing that I want to start this interview with is when I first met you. We met 6-7 years ago,
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
and the event
Mm.
Sonali was a Delhiite kitty group.
Oh,
So we
nice.
had a kitty group for Delhiites, and she's actually from Karol Bagh, Delhi,
Yeah,
where half my Micah actually lives.
Mm.
So
Interesting.
yes.
she came to that kitty, and very cutely she bought a gift for me. And I was
I
like,
can totally imagine Mona doing. She's really sweet.
and I was
Yes.
thinking, you do realize you have to pay for your own bill. Why are you getting a gift for me? And you know what she told me?
Yeah.
She said, I'm so emotional today. This is the first time I've come out of my home for a girls' party. And I said, what? How old are you? What do you mean first time? It's like a 14-year-old talking.
Yeah.
And I said, how is it? I could not even comprehend that statement at that time. How could a woman in her late 40s say, almost touching 50, that this is the first time I have come out for a girls' party?
Yeah.
Because you were busy raising kids, looking after a family.
There's so many
From-
responsibilities a woman has to look for. But I can completely imagine her bringing that gift for you and understand her emotion behind that, because it's so special for her, right? To come out of her house for the first time ever and meet the
Yes,
other girls.
Exactly, because
It's
when
brilliant.
she invited me, so I said, wow, there is someone.
Yeah.
There is someone who is inviting me, because I felt myself like an alien.
Really?
Really, because
I can't believe it
I
looking
did-
at you today.
Yeah.
Look at
That's
that.
unbelievable.
From then
Grace.
to this,
How confident, how amazing, how dynamic you are today. I can't believe
now
that
you are
you
never
saying
home.
this.
Now you're always
That's
out.
why you're our success story, isn't it?
Now
She
my
is our
family
success
is
story.
so much fed up because most of the days I'm out.
Yeah.
Most of the days I'm doing different activities. So now they are fed up. Earlier, my family, because my children were very young at that time, but
Yeah.
my husband will say, "You don't have even a single friend." I said,
Really?
yeah,
I
yeah.
can't
That's
believe.
so
I
surprising,
can't
isn't it?
believe that.
Exactly.
She's the first person.
Oh
actually,
my
I
God!
can
Oh
That's
my
hold.
special,
God!
Shilpi.
That
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
thank that touches
That's
my
true.
heart.
Yeah.
And I'm glad we are still friends.
Absolutely.
And now we
Always.
are more than
Family.
a friend.
Yeah.
Now we're a family. I
Absolutely.
respect her a lot.
Same
Yeah,
here.
Love
that's
is
amazing,
there.
Shilpi. And I can
But-
completely, you know,
Yeah.
the social initiatives, why they're important, Shilpi.
Yeah.
This is exactly why. The arranging of kitties, arranging of meetups of women,
Yes.
it's exactly. There are
Yes.
many out there like you know, who might have at that time not come out of their house. But these initiatives that Shilpi gets involved with, the other women get involved with, she's got
You
me
do
involved
as
with,
well, yeah.
is amazing because that helps out a lot of women. Today, look at you.
So
That kitty
how?
has led to this.
Yeah.
Amazing
that
personality.
kitty opens the door for me. Actually,
Yeah.
In Birmingham.
Oh
Yeah.
my God.
That kitty helps me to build up network. I still some of those friends are still friends today.
Wow.
All
Still
of them,
friends
yeah.
today.
Most some
most
moved
That's
back.
great.
Yeah.
Some moved back
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
India.
Yeah.
One of them came
Yeah.
back, and
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
people have shuffled around. But
Yeah.
whoever is in this city are still our friends.
And that's the important thing. To keep in
Exactly.
touch and still have that
Yes,
network.
yes.
It's amazing.
So tell us about the journey, Monadi.
Yeah.
From then, how did a woman who had never been out for the first time attended a kitty party, has received all these awards from the Consulate General of India at the House of Commons,
All of that, guys, is
from the
hers.
Queen of
Believe me.
Please
And
could
there is a World Book of Records award. I mean, that's amazing.
give us a
Really.
tip. How?
Oh, I can summarize my journey in only one word, that I had the knowledge of my purpose at very early stage of my life.
Yeah.
And I knew it, what is pulling me, and I knew it that what is stopping me.
Yeah.
Because earlier in my early ages, I always put blames on others. Because of him, because of her, I can't do. There are
Yeah.
responsibilities, limitation. And once when I realize, no, these are fake excuses.
Yes. Excuses. They all are.
Yeah, these are really fake excuses.
It's easier said than
Yeah.
done. I think I still do that a lot.
We
And,
all do it, Shilpi.
Yeah.
But
but
like Monaji said, they're all excuses. It's
Yeah.
always
And
us, what we can
yes,
achieve. It's
and
me.
When
Yeah.
when I reset my mental ability,
Yeah.
when I reprogram myself, no, Mona, now this is your journey. Because when I saw others from the similar field doing wonderful things, and actually at that time I felt jealous
Mm.
that I had so much in me,
Yeah.
and what I'm doing nothing.
Nothing. Yeah.
And that makes me so frustrated that it always remind me that, Mona, I don't want to die like this.
Mm.
Because
Oh.
I don't want to die like this. I want to, when I'll go, I want to give back to the society, to the community, to my loved ones, whatever I am blessed with, so
Wow.
that they can multiply my knowledge, my experience, and my blessings.
Wow. That's
that
amazing,
thought-
Mona.
That thought actually helped me to grow. And then, because when I started breaking those glass
The
ceilings,
barriers.
oh my
These
God,
are those
oh.
barriers. Yeah.
what were the glass ceilings like, speaking of? And who supported you the most and who did not?
Okay. For in the beginning few years,
Yeah.
in front of my elders, my brother-in-law, even older
Mhm.
brother-in-law, my father, even whoever was there, I have to cover my chunni, touching their feet. Yeah, this
Touching
is-
feet is
Yeah, yeah.
fine,
It's
but
all
not.
tradition.
but
Yeah.
covering my head.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Each to their own. I won't judge
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Each to
So
their own.
now you can imagine, after finishing my naturopath, because I'm a naturopath, the first qualification is a naturotherapy. I'm a naturopath.
Yes.
And then I did Reiki healing. So, and I did some practice in India, and while doing practice, I got married. And
Wow.
because then I have to straight away wind down everything, because I married into a business class family,
Yeah.
and they didn't see any purpose of me working, because they say we are loaded with money, why you need to work?
Yes.
So
That
they
is, the
they
general
think
perspective.
that
It is,
everybody
yes.
work for money
Yeah,
only.
yeah, yeah.
But that was my passion, and I surrendered. I
Hmm.
surrendered. I said okay,
Yeah.
because that was my feeding from my parents as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nobody
We are
taught
programmed
me,
like that, Dr. Mona. It's
nobody
I think,
taught
yeah, it comes
me
from the programming.
to
Yes.
put your foot down for yourself. Nobody, and everybody, even my parents as well,
Mhm.
they taught me in-laws are first, husband is first, he's first, she's first, everybody's first. But nobody taught me,
Yeah.
Mona, you are
Where are
also
you? Yeah.
human.
But can I just interrupt you there and say her love story is also very, very special. And so it's not, although she's making it sound like a very traditional marriage, but
Yeah.
it was quite an Amrit
Oh, so it was a
Sariya
love
kind.
marriage.
It was a love
Oh,
marriage.
that's nice. After all that you've said, it's surprising that it was
Childhood.
a love marriage.
Childhood love
Childhood
marriage.
love. Wow,
And
amazing.
overlooking from the balconies like Amrit Sariya style.
Really?
Like he's hanging from his balcony, she's hanging from
I have done it all. So,
13, 13, 14 years of age you
hanging from
started.
balconies, I can
So
totally get that.
I think I'm very intrigued, being that modern woman, how you adjusted and translated into that traditional daughter-in-law. So that was
Yes.
quite, I appreciate that.
I think because I saw my mother, I saw my chachi,
Yeah.
sai, I saw that generation.
Yes.
And even my mother was optician. Can you imagine? My mother was an optician.
So professional family you
Yeah.
came from.
Yeah, she
And
is.
she
I mean,
was a professional
you can make that
singer.
out.
Wow.
She was a professional singer.
Mhm.
She did her qualification from the Lucknow Eye Hospital, and she got married and she surrendered. She sacrificed her
Yeah.
career because of the family. Yes. So I saw that, and it was in my blood to sacrifice yourself
Yeah.
for the in-laws, for the sake of peace and harmony in the marriage.
In the family, yes, and the
But
marriage.
you still
yes,
do
which
that,
is-
Dee. I think you still very much do that in many
I
ways.
think it's about the generation how
Yeah.
we were brought up at a certain point
Yeah.
in time. Things
Yeah.
are obviously changing now. I'm sure all of us are. Things are changing. A lot of changes are happening for girls, women generally as well. So your journey now is kind of an inspiration from there till now.
Yeah.
Obviously, from the traditional background, coming to here and doing all of this is, I'm sure, inspiration to many girls out there.
I want to prove to everyone, and I want my mother to make proud of me from the heaven that look,
Wow.
my mother is doing wonderful things. She knows how deep, intense, emotional person I am, deeper
Mhm.
down. If I see here, the deepest emotion sits here.
Yeah.
So from here, I'm a very deep emotional person.
Yeah.
Outside,
I can
it
see
looks
that.
she's very bubbly. She's very,
Yeah.
very, jovial. This very fun-loving person. But deeper down, that is also my side.
Yes.
I have few sides. Very lively and very, very sad person also.
Mhm.
There is sadness in me.
I think
and that's the reality sometimes.
I think
the
anyone
sadness.
who has shuttered glass ceilings, and it could be a man as well, not
Yeah.
necessarily
Yeah.
a woman,
Exactly.
whoever has traveled this journey, may it be India, may it
Yeah.
be in their home country or abroad, will have their share of sob stories,
Yes.
sad stories. But the main thing is perseverance,
Yeah.
that you never gave up. And you not only lifted yourself, she lifts the whole community.
You lift
with
everybody
her.
else. What was that one? There might have been a moment, Dr. Mona, when you thought that this is it. Now, this is what I can only go upwards from here. Can't go anywhere else.
Yeah.
There might have been that turning point, they call it.
My turning point is because when I've lost her, that those 2 years were very deep for me, and
Yeah.
at that time I started listening some kind of spiritual programs.
Yeah.
Started reading spiritual books. Started connecting with the divine. That was the time, and I can simply say the divine supported me.
Sum up this journey, Dee. I will love to. I mean, I've obviously spoken to you. I've seen you through this journey all these years, and you are truly my role model. But for the audience here, what is one message you will like to give to them, that if they want to start today,
Yeah.
what is one message you will give to them before we start with our exciting games today?
Okay, so my main message to everyone who's there to watch us is connect with yourself first, because we all have this magical power of divinity in us. I can
Yeah.
say we all are born with this divinity. We all are born with self-healing powers. So please connect with your breath, connect with your soul, connect with your thoughts, what you're thinking, connect with your emotions, how you're feeling, and in physical form, where these emotions and thoughts are sitting inside your body. And if you have any passion, if you have any desire, there is never too late. It's better to start late than never. You
Yes.
always say
Yeah.
it's better
Yeah.
To
late
start
Then
late than
never.
never.
than never.
I agree.
Because always remind you that we are here temporarily, we are not here permanently. And do you want to go back to your divine source with a dissatisfied soul? Do you want to come back then to learn your lessons which you didn't learn
Oh dear,
now?
no.
No, not at all.
No.
That's why Shilpi and I do what we do.
So then what will remain with you?
Is us, our soul, our mind.
Yeah.
So see,
Yeah.
I think peace of mind, isn't it? We want to leave with a peace of mind. And yeah,
That we achieved.
Yeah.
what you will carry there
Yes.
back, what you will carry there
The
back.
contentment, the satisfaction that we
yeah.
lived a life that we wanted to live on our own terms and hopefully have as many awards.
Oh, even one will do for me. Even if I get one of these awards, I'm happy.
So see, audience, they know the answer. Nothing
Yeah.
belongs to them as well.
No.
Nothing.
And
It's all on the physical
I
plane.
want to add one more thing today. She helped us so much to start this
Yes,
episode
yes.
today.
I'm very thankful to you, Mona.
I had so
If
many
it was-
nerves.
Yeah, she's
And
a perfect first guest.
So she literally was like, took us under her wings
Yes.
and literally
She's
helped
mentored
us so
us,
much.
to be very
So-
honest. Yeah,
Thank you
given
so
us a
much.
lot of
Thank you,
advice.
thank you so
Okay.
I just have one quick
Mhm.
question,
Yeah, of
Shilpi,
course,
if we
of
can.
course.
All your journey is amazing. You told us what fueled you, what actually was the turning point. But if you were to tell us that one skill or that one quality that you acquired during this journey, which keeps you going now and probably will keep you going in the future as well, because you have amazing future ahead of you.
Yes.
So something that for our audience, especially for other women like you watching you, and for us,
Yes. So
that
first,
one quality,
only
one
quality
skill.
is be true.
yes,
Be
Honest.
true with yourself.
be true with yourself. Yes.
And
Oh,
others.
that's amazing.
First is with you.
Yeah.
Once you will have this habit of being true with you now, then you automatically be true with others.
Yes.
Because what we say, face is the index of mind and heart. So if deeper inside your heart you are true to yourself now, even those, if we have any I'm not saying flaws, I'm saying if we lack something,
Yeah.
accept that I am lacking this thing,
And
and
work
this
on it.
person
Yeah.
has this thing, for example, and still today I have so many role models. Seriously,
That's
silently,
We all need role
Yeah.
models.
I create my role
Yeah.
models, and nobody knows who are my role models. If I like someone's work, that person is my role model.
Yeah.
But that's great how you say
Yeah,
learning
yeah.
was,
Because
very
what I
important
say
in
to
your journey.
myself, if he can do it, then I can also do it.
Great.
On
Amazing.
that note, actually, I would like to ask one more question, Monadi, because I've witnessed her journey
Yeah.
first-handed. I know there were some instances, some situations where you were actually pulled down. So, but there were people who actually pulled you down, and I know it because I saw it. How did you? And I saw you. I've been broken in my life more than once. I've been, emotionally felt broken. When I had to pick myself up again, and I've seen you not broken,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I saw you
Difficult, tough time.
feeling
That phase,
dejected.
yeah.
How did you? But I don't know how you magically found that courage to go out there again.
Yeah,
What
please
is
tell
the
us.
secret recipe to
Please tell us. We all need
regaining
it.
that confidence?
The secret recipe is one which I mentioned earlier. As soon as you will connect with yourself. So as soon as you connect with yourself, then when you see there is an alignment with you, with the divine universe, with your God whom you believe, slowly you will feel the power, you will feel the wisdom, you will understand that nobody's mine, this is a drama, this is a
Yeah.
theater, and very soon I will leave this theater here, the curtain will fall, and I'll go back.
Wow.
That's such a beautiful thought,
that is
guys.
amazing.
Amazing.
Okay, so we are on to our games round now. So we got this. This is for nay. This is for yay. If you agree,
Wow,
you show this side.
interesting.
Very interesting. Very interesting.
If you disagree, you do this. And
Yeah.
all three of us
Very
will do
good.
it together.
Yeah.
Sonali, you start with the questions?
Yes.
Okay, fast.
Accents affect credibility.
Uh,
Nay, not at all.
okay.
Women of color must work harder to be noticed.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
really?
Yes.
Think so?
Yes. Yes.
That's
yes.
very
I've
interesting.
noticed
Okay.
personal experience.
Because okay,
Right.
in my
we are in different country.
Yeah.
We have to work hard
I
to
think
be known,
I
to
think
be
it's more of
visible,
an individual experience
be
as well, how you
visible.
deal with it.
to be visible.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Interesting.
Okay.
Different
All
point
right.
of view.
Okay.
Networking matters more than qualifications. Now, this can be, it's a
It's a mix. 50,
It's a mix for me.
So I can say yes because yes,
Yeah.
with network you get the opportunity.
Yes.
I would like to share a very small incident from my life for this. You know, in India, I went for 2 years to India. You know that. And the university I was working in, I had this mentor, the boss, who
Yeah.
literally, who was like you to me, Dee, literally looked after me, took him under his wings. And he used to say to me, Beta, kaam kam kar, coffee jada pi. And I was like, meaning? He said, go to the
I know
faculty
what that
lounge.
means.
Yeah. So he was like, across the corridor was the faculty lounge where
Yeah.
I rarely went. He
Yeah.
said, stop working, go to the faculty lounge,
Yeah.
go and network more.
Yeah.
And that advice always stayed with me.
That's a
Yeah.
very sound advice, actually. That's why I think it's a maybe. It depends which field you're working in sometimes as well, and what kind of people are you surrounded by. Somewhere it's not important. At some place it's extremely important.
And you know, I give this networking like 10 on 10
Yeah.
number because if I am here, it's because of networking
Yes.
as well.
Absolutely.
Not only on merits only.
Yeah.
There are so many people who are so much qualified, so much.
Yeah.
But because I got the right opportunity at
Yeah.
right time.
Yes.
So
Okay.
it's
It just
networking.
puts you out there.
Yes.
That's exactly why me and Shilpi are so much into networking.
Yes.
You got it? Now she's just put perspective to
She-
what our
she-
thought process is.
You and she both knows why I'm laughing. Networking comes with its
Networking.
own pros and
Yeah,
cons.
But that's fine.
Ah.
See, I think there are positive sides of it, and that's what
Ah.
we're banking on,
Yeah.
So we
basically.
filter. I always filter because when
Yeah.
in networking, obviously rubbish comes as well. dirt
Yeah,
comes as
absolutely.
You
well.
heard
All
of that
kinds of
filter out
networking.
word from me as well. Filter out.
Filter out. Yeah.
Filter out.
There is, when you network, I think you have to be ready for both
Yeah,
sides.
yeah,
You know
yeah.
what's in for you, what's
And now
not
we
for
are
you, and just
mature
move
enough
on.
and experienced enough that we know.
Yeah,
Quickly set your boundaries. As
Set your
soon as
boundaries.
you see first
Absolutely.
red flag.
absolutely. Set your boundary. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a very, very, very
I
good advice.
sometimes
Mona.
wait till second red flag. That's my weakness.
Yeah,
But
okay,
yes.
okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Give
Yeah.
You
it
need to
another
work on
chance.
that shit.
Yeah, yeah.
It's fine. Sometime now we have to give another chance
Yeah.
as well. Sometimes
Yeah.
person's circumstances.
Absolutely.
I do give a
And
benefit
there's a
of
thin
doubt.
line between networking and friendship.
Yeah.
Friendship is very personal. Networking
Yeah.
is, to put you out there. It's very
That's fine.
important to put yourself out there.
Give 2-3 chances.
Yeah,
And then
and that's it.
Yeah.
shoot.
Yeah.
All right, over to the next
Okay.
round then.
First, that changed everything. If it's a yay, we do this. If it's a nay, it's a this. So in the UK, was this your first time? First job interview alone?
No.
No.
I've done many before that. I had a career. whole
First
career.
bank account?
No, not in the UK.
No.
I think I had a bank account, but my dad was managing it, so I had no clue. So first time
I
I
was very
walked into a
independent.
building and
Yeah.
opened it.
I started working at 20. so
Okay, put it
I had
down. Wait for the second question. Put it down, Sonali.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm too much. I think I've got too engrossed in that. I love it, Shilpi, these rounds.
First time saying no at work. I say no to everything.
Yeah.
I'm a pro at saying no.
in UK.
First time saying no at work.
I think I learned when I got
Okay,
here.
so I say no.
Okay.
Okay.
First leadership role.
I was in India. I was always a leader.
Yeah, I was always a leader.
Well, I was a university lecturer, a counselor.
So that's leadership.
Probably,
for
but
me.
yeah.
And, I have the habit of being leader. I can't be submissive.
Leo, na?
I can't
You're a
be
Leo.
submissive, Yeah.
Mona ji.
And if it is my choice, only then
Yeah,
I make myself a little calm down. Otherwise, yeah.
that's great. And that's a part of being you also, who you are. So round 3 is balance or burn out. I'll say a single word and we choose and say, I think this won't really work for that. would
Yeah,
it?
maybe we have to choose the word.
Yeah, we choose the word. So, I mean, what makes more sense, basically? Title or impact?
For me, impact.
Me too.
You have
Impact.
to choose one.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to
Impact.
choose bit of both?
Yeah.
Impact.
Impact. Recognition or freedom?
Recognition.
Freedom.
Freedom.
Recognition. 100%.
I want to be free to do what I want to do.
100% recognition.
Don't you think if you have freedom, you eventually land recognition anyway? Because then
No,
you
but
win
I think
yourself.
maybe both in this case. She's
Maybe
right.
both, yeah,
Recognition
she
is
is
हमें मिली नहीं ना अभी तक दी. हमें ये सब मिला नहीं है. हमें
हम जब
वैल्यू
free
नहीं पता
होंगे,
अभी. हमें अभी
freedom के
value-
बाद ही आता है. पक्का
हम
ये
अभी
तो.
आपसे नीचे वाली स्टेज पर है.
I think freedom is definitely we all
Yeah.
want freedom. But freedom भी कोई direction भी तो होना. Freedom होता नहीं इधर जा रहे उधर जा रहे. You don't
Absolutely.
have any
Yeah,
goal.
correct.
So freedom.
You're
yeah.
free to work towards your goal, and
Yeah.
that leads to
Yeah.
recognition. I think so. Very good stuff, Monaji. Stability or purpose?
Purpose. Definitely purpose. You know,
Purpose leads to stability for me.
purpose is never comes in your comfort zone.
Yeah.
For if you want to acquire purpose, you have to leave your comfort zone, which is your stability. You have to take challenge. You have to jump into fire.
Yeah.
Only then you can reach to your purpose. So purpose definitely.
Yeah, well,
That's
I'm a
brilliant.
contract.
Yeah.
I'm a contractor, so I have to agree
take
with the
risks,
purpose.
yeah.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
take risks. Yeah.
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 Purpose for me as well. Absolutely. Hands down. Visibility or peace?
Hmm. Oh wow. Peace. Peace. In this stage, I can say peace. If I acquire that peace, and slowly, my essence will spread.
Yes.
So then I'll get the visibility through my aura. So people will see me and they will come to me. So visibility will come, but first acquire the peace.
Wow.
How beautiful. I can hear what you're saying for a whole day, Monaji. So, yeah, makes me feel so lighter. Perfection or progress?
Progress. Definitely.
Yeah, progress for me as well. Yes, I'd like to be perfect, but it has to come with progress. So progress is the end all of it.
Yeah.
Hustle or sustainability?
Sustainable.
Sustainability for me as well. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, I have one,
Yeah.
question. But how would you handle this? Okay,
Yeah.
Okay.
your partner's career growing faster than yours.
Oh, I love it.
Huh.
No,
We said the
seriously.
same.
Me too.
I
I
love
want him to be
Yeah.
a billionaire.
And then he's
So I can just do
he's
elite
bringing-
exchange.
Yeah.
I don't do anything else.
At the end, he's bringing money.
Yeah.
So we will enjoy that money. His money is my money.
Yes.
My money is my money. His money is my money as well.
Very good,
Work
Monaji.
hard, bring more
Slow clap.
This is the top learning
Slow
of
clap.
this episode.
We are on to the most exciting round now, the rapid fire round.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Success to you now means.
Success to me now means alignment with my purpose.
A myth about
I like
having
that.
a myth about having it all, you reject.
Perfection.
A boundary that changed your career.
Learn to say no.
Nice.
Rest is productive, necessary, or radical. Choose one.
Definitely necessary.
Success feels like more freedom or more responsibility.
More responsibility to sustain it.
Wow.
Okay.
Agree. Totally.
One sacrifice you no longer believe is required to break the glass ceilings.
Burned out.
Nice. The quiet win people don't see.
My hard work and my hard work
Hmm.
and my
You think so? Wow.
consistency. Consistency as well.
Consistent.
A title you are proud of outside of your work.
Spiritual healer, 100%.
Okay.
Wow. The moment you realize that you didn't need anyone's permission.
Awakening.
Okay. Mine, your non-negotiable now.
My peace,
Please, ma'am.
boundaries as well,
Yeah.
and peace as
Yeah.
well.
One thing you want younger women to know.
Oh, definitely. Not only younger women, to everyone. It's okay, even if you are growing in whatever stage you are. Learn to say no. Set your
Great.
boundaries. Listen to your gut,
Yeah.
and always tell to yourself that I am not that thirsty that I have to drink poison.
Wow.
Wow.
That's so
Always.
powerful,
That is
Monaji.
going to stay
Yes.
with me.
Me
That
too.
is going to
Always,
stay with
I
me.
When you were saying that, only I felt it inside me. So
I
yeah,
always
you don't
remind
have to drink
myself-
poison.
Yes, I always
Girls,
remind
boys,
myself, yes.
everyone.
It doesn't matter
Yeah.
who is
Just
there.
move on.
It doesn't matter if that
Yeah.
person is your loved one, your family member, your friend.
Yes.
It doesn't matter if you have 10 years old relationship, but always remind yourself you are not that thirsty that you are drinking that
Yeah.
poison.
None of us deserve the toxicity. No, not at all. Good.
Okay.
That's amazing.
I
Monaji.
will like to sum up our interview and this discussion by saying, guys, glass ceilings don't always crack loudly. Sometimes a woman's quiet suffering when she's addressing that glass ceiling, cracking it and breaking it, when she chooses herself over others,
Yeah.
her own voice,
Yes.
and our own peace of mind and boundaries is not always visible.
Yeah.
And that's the biggest glass ceiling I think
Exactly.
we all have addressed.
And success is not just breaking the glass ceiling, I feel sometimes, it's actually deciding whether that building still works for you.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's very necessary to just move on because there's transformation happening in you. You're changing every day. You're learning new things. And then sometimes your surroundings just don't work for you.
Yeah.
So it's very important to learn when that building doesn't work for you. Yeah.
Don't allow others to drain you. Don't allow others to ruin your peace.
Yes.
I think that is also a very big glass ceiling.
It is.
An unspoken and invisible glass ceiling that
Yeah.
we all,
we
men,
all deal with.
men or women, home
Everyone
country or
alike.
abroad, most of us have to deal with.
Yeah.
And it's not easy to become an elite by yourself, to
No.
acquire that
It's-
status.
So all that
And
work.
on that note,
that
on
goes
that
into it.
on that note,
Absolutely.
thank you so much,
Thank
Dr.
you so much,
Mona Khurana,
Dee.
my
Dr.
Mona Dee,
Khurana.
for
Yes.
welcoming us into your space, into your
Yeah.
home.
To your
Let-
lovely home, really warm
Thank
and
you so
hospitable.
much.
Thank you
Yes.
so much, Mona ji.
Thank you
It
so
added so much to our knowledge and just us as people as well, I'm sure.
Thank you so
And we've
much.
enjoyed meeting you, and hopefully we stay in touch much longer now and know you for
Definitely.
life.
We will collaborate in future.
Yes, thank you so
that
much.
whatever I have, I want to give you, so that you can also multiply. So that just multiply good things,
Yes.
knowledge, wisdom. Yeah.
And
That's
we
what-
will hashtag her Insta account and her
Yes, we will,
Facebook
yeah,
account
yeah.
in our reels. Our
Yes.
Insta account is Elite Exchange for public views.
Absolutely.
And please connect with her for any of her services, her meditation, past life regression. I'm definitely taking that.
Very
And
interesting.
I think that is a very good note to end this podcast.
Thank you so much, Mona ji. How
much.
amazing. I've
Keep
loved meeting you.
laughing, keep breaking your glass ceilings,
Yes.
but make sure you know the building you are breaking the ceiling of. Do you want to be in that building?
Yeah.
Building.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid to say no. Don't be afraid to create your boundaries and move on when you need to move on.
Yes.
And-
And know when you have to move on. So Mona ji's inspiring story actually today, and why we brought her on the podcast today, is to bring breaking the glass ceiling and what exactly it means. A lot of people don't know what it even means. So her story is a live testimony of that. And I hope you all have enjoyed it as much as we've enjoyed
Absolutely.
talking to Mona.
Absolutely.
And I'm sure we're going to be in
Yes.
touch always and
we'll
having
come
fun.
back soon again.
Come back
Yeah.
soon,
Public
as
demand.
always.
Yeah, definitely.
Public demand.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.
On that
Signing off,
note,
guys.
bye-bye.
Bye.
Ta-ta, bye.